alone in everything under the sky. That scale is as old, whether you are young or old. I kindly ask you, come, let's walk together. Come, let's go together. Where I was shown is greater than what I was told. I don't know exactly where we are heading, but if it's for good of Burundians, let's move. If you have a knowledge, bring it. If you have a gift, use it. Your talent is not same as mine, but still come, let's go together. What we are is the path. Come, let's go together. Where we are made the world and that treaty, criticize and speak ill of Burundians. They live carelessly thinking we couldn't make it, but let's prove them that we can. Let's go tell them, never underestimate us. Come, let unity and will power, so it's power to change our behalf. The destination we are heading is not a dream. It's not fantasy of the past lunas. All live and current want share leadership will. Let's share this thought and reach the vision. If you understand it like I do, don't hesitate. Come with me. It's not too far for those who are willing, and it's not too close for those who are resist. If you understand, come with me. It doesn't require us to change the place, but to change our mindset and embrace unity. And if even the leaders and those in power prove no one who compete in our leading development. Before we head in there, let's get to know each other. Me, I'm the pillar of vision in the future. It's a first branch of Narushati, a